morning and welcome to Miss Rhoadie. And today I will be showing you how I make images for my store categories. So, as I told you in the last video, I'm working on my Rhoadie's Kitchen store, and this is the back end of my store. So I have a couple of categories that I'm working on. Valentine's Day, St. Patrick's Day, shot glasses, coffee mugs, and water bottles. So as you can see, they don't have an image because I was just adding new categories that I want to showcase on my storefront page because right now I don't have any categories showing. So what I'm going to do is make images. So I'm going to go to all products. And my first image is going to be for Valentine's Day. Okay. So I want to click on something for Valentine's Day. And as you can see, these need to be optimized because I need to really improve my tags. But that's another video for another day. So I'll use this image right here. And I'm going to save that image. And what I like to do is I'm going to click on Zazzle. And I just open this in a new window. Okay. And I'm going to go to my stuff. And I'm going to start a new design. Okay. So it automatically is on templates once you click start a new design. So what I like to use for my images is I like to use the cards template. This one right here. And there's other cards that you can use. It's all up to you. Okay. So what I do is just clear this so it can be blank. And I will upload my own picture. So my files, upload images. So you can upload from your phone or your computer. So since I'm working on my laptop, I'm going to upload this coffee mug that I just had. And I'm going to fill. Okay. And what I'm going to do is add text. And it's going to just simply say Valentine's Day. Okay. And I like to keep a certain, type of theme. So these are very simple customizations. Very, very simple labels. I mean, images. Very simple images for categories. So I'm just going to pick a complementary color so you can see that it says Valentine's Day. Okay. I like to make sure it's aligned. So what I would do is download this onto my computer. Okay. And what I do is this is it's right here because you see it says Valentine's Day. So as you can see, you see where it says the dimensions are 1575 by 1575. those are good dimensions because I always want to make sure. It seems like my dimensions need to at least be 1500. I'm not sure the exact dimensions that needed, but I always make sure my dimensions are at least 1500 for this image category, so it won't give me an error message. But what I want to do, so I won't get any kind of error message, is convert this into a JPEG. Because let me see if I can just upload it as is without getting an error message. Okay, so I'm just going to see if it will just let me upload it as a PNG, but I'm not sure. Okay, so see, it gave me an error message. So that means I'm going to have to convert it to a JPEG file. So I right click on it and I go to open with Paint. I always use Paint. And the image is large enough, as I said earlier. So we just want to convert it into a JPEG. And I'll just write Valentine's Day image. Okay. All right. So let's try again. Okay. So that worked. All right. So what I do is, since these are new categories, um, until I sort them out and put my products into each category, and sometimes it takes a whole day for it to show up, I just hide it until all of my categories have their products. And then I will come back, because right now it has no products in it. Even though I put products in it earlier, I actually put some products in it, but you can't tell. So that's what I do. I hide them until all of my products, because I had to go by each one at a time, and make sure I, sort my products into them. And once I see that they're there, I will go back to edit and I will unhide it so it can show up in my store. Okay. All right. Well, I hope that helped you. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.